Hey guys, welcome to Source Coder Hub. In this video, we're going to create a GitHub account and GitHub repository. But before we do, I want to introduce you to a new feature in GitHub and remind you of other amazing features that you may be missing out on. So let's head on over to github.com and look at some of these features. So just go to your address bar and type in github.com. When you get to the home page, click Product and All Features. Let's take a quick look at the tools you need to build. Codespaces for individuals is a new GitHub feature. And it provides a coding environment, or code space as the name implies, in the cloud. So you're no longer limited to a specific code editor. You can code on the go on a mobile device. Think CodePen or JS Fiddle. Collaborative coding is a feature that allows you to push code to GitHub and work with other developers from anywhere in the world. So you're building code, community, and communicating directly in the GitHub environment. One of the things I like is the ability to track your changes and even revert to previous code if needed. This section goes into more detail about this amazing feature. Let's move down to automation, continuous integration, and continuous delivery, where you can create a workflow pipeline. For example, in Actions, you can automate these workflows directly in GitHub and write tasks to build, test, and deploy your project. This feature reminds me of Jenkins. In Packages, you can also host software packages and use them as dependencies in other projects. You can also set up a workflow that runs whenever new packages are released. This reminds me of Docker Hub. APIs offer Graphic API, which is more concise than REST APIs because you can make requests from multiple APIs and then fetch only the data you need at a single entry point. GitHub Pages is perfect for hosting personal portfolio projects and JSON APIs. Then there's the deployment feature. You can click on your deployment dashboard and get a log, as well as status on whether your project successfully deployed. As you can see, GitHub is very powerful and can be a one-stop solution for your coding development, testing, and deployment needs, whether you're working as part of a team or working alone. Let's head on over to github.com and create an account. To get started, type GitHub in the search engine. Click github.com, and then you'll land on the home page. From there, you click the Sign Up button, and you'll land on the Sign Up page. From here, you simply follow the prompts and answer whether you would like product updates and announcements. You'll be asked to solve 2 puzzles. Then click Create an Account. You'll need to verify your account using your email. You'll receive a launch code in your email account that you need to enter on the sign up page. So at this point, you'll be directed to the welcome page. You'll be asked here how many members are on your team, what your role is. You'll be directed to a plan based on your needs. So check all the features that you're interested in, and then click Continue. Take a look at the options and click Continue for free. You're in, and you will be directed to the GitHub homepage. The first thing to do is personalize your profile. So, change the avatar by uploading a picture from your computer. Add your name, your public email address, and add something about yourself in the bio, and the URL to your portfolio if you have one. And then update any of the other optional items. And when you're done, click Update. And once the profile is done, click on the GitHub logo to go back to the home page. Then click Create a Repository. Type in a name and a description, but leave everything else as the default, and then click Create a Repository. So click the name on your account. You'll be directed back to your main GitHub page, and you'll see your profile showing up and also your one repository. Before we move on, if you found value in this tutorial so far, don't forget to like and also leave a comment. What is your favorite GitHub feature, and which features are you interested in exploring? In the Basic Commands GitHub Tutorial 2023 Part 2, I'll guide you through steps to initialize a GitHub repository, push in a new project, as well as make updates from your local computer to your GitHub repository. If you're interested in building on this initial knowledge, hit the subscribe button as well as the notifications bell button, and you'll be alerted when Part 2 releases. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.